So actually, I have something from Ben the Carmen, who, by the way, dude, thank you so much for all the support that he's done. Really, a bunch of awesome pull requests fixing the many issues that I proposed. Unfortunately, he cannot attend the dev meeting, but he's listening, and he just wrote me on Slack a really, really brilliant idea on how to somewhat fix the shield issue. That the shield does not really correspond to the privacy level, especially for post-mixed transactions, where, for example, you have the 0.1 and then you send 0.05 to the hardware wallet, right? Or you send 0.05 to buy your coffee, right? One is a de-anonymizing transaction, right, where the coffee shop knows your change. And the other one is not a de-anonymizing transaction because it's your own hardware wallet and it's consolidation within the same cluster. And it's really difficult to fix this with some kind of algorithm, and that's why we have the labeling. But so many users were saying that they want to see that the shield for the change gets reduced. And so Ben proposes that at the time of sending a coin, the user can mark if this is a private or a non-private transaction. Meaning if he's sending to his own hardware wallet or to his own mother, then this is private. And if it is a green shield, then it will stay a green shield. But if he is buying his coffee and is de-anonymizing himself, then he can check, okay, this is a non-private transaction, and this will reset the anonymity set to 1 and make the shield red. So I think that's actually quite a smart idea. What do you think about this?
I'm actually already reducing the shields from the beginning for the change, but only by 1, which makes no sense. Should be reduced more. Yeah, I agree. I agree. I'm not quite sure about the idea because I did not fully understand, but I agree with the general direction of what you're trying to solve there. Yes.
Yes, I'll write something up more thorough, but I think it's a really cool idea.
Sure, but just consider if it can be done simpler, like reducing the shields, cutting it half or something like that. If it makes more sense, then that would be easier to do. Just saying. But yeah, sure. Describe it. I'm sorry. I was just spacing out. I didn't understand. Okay.